So this is the last chapter of our trigonometry, that is a trigonometric equation. Suppose just remember one question from your class 7th. If I say x plus 7 is equals to 0, find x. So what is meaning of this? X is a number. X is a number. When we are adding that number with 7, that is making 0. So find x. Yes or no? So, but now here, same thing, it will change to like this. In trigonometry, it will change sine theta is equals to 1 by root 2, find theta. Okay, so if I'm asking sine theta is equals to 1 by root 2, find theta. It means theta is one angle. That angle, when I will put here, this value will become equals to 1 by root 2. And theta, that angle we don't know. Question is find that angle. Okay, so theta will be 45 degree. Next, 3 pi by 4. And so on, so on, so on. Lot of angle will be there. Okay, this sine theta is for 1 by root 2 na positive. So it will either in first quadrant or second quadrant. So this is angle of first quadrant, this is angle of second quadrant. Again, you will get one more angle of first quadrant. Again, you will get second quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant. How you will get? If you remember, let me remind you. Suppose this is your angle 45 degree here. First angle you got 45. Now again rotate 360 degree. So 360 plus 45, 405. Next angle you will get 405. So one angle is 45 degree. Here I am writing 45 degree pi by 4. In first quadrant itself, the same angle will say 405 degree. Again, if you will rotate 360 degree and you will come here, you will reach to same angle. But now place will be same, angle will change. 405 plus 360 degree. 765. 765. So lot of angle will be there. Now if we go to this side, 135 degree. First angle you will get in second quadrant, where sine theta is 1 by root 2 is 135 degree. Second angle, add 360, 495 degree. Add 360, so on. Why? Because why we are adding 360? Because after 360, na, here this angle is now 135 degree. When you will add 360 degree, again it will come here only. Okay, na? So again that angle will go to same place, but now angle will be different. Number will change, but place will be same. Yes, na, that's why lot of angle will satisfy. So here we are will learn about solving this small type of equation. So total 5 to 6 types are there. We have total 5 formula only in this chapter. But what are the different types of question? Total 5 types of questions are generated in this chapter. If you remember all the 5 types, this chapter we can do. Okay? Next. Chale? Write down this. Trigonometric equation. Write down first introduction. In introduction, you will write this. In introduction, you will write this. Solution of trigonometric equation. Solution of trigonometric equation. Solution of trigonometric equation. So there are total two types of solution. First type is principal solution. Second type is general solution. Principal solution means here angle we have to find between 0 to 2 pi. Close bracket 0 to 2 pi. So if I am writing sine theta is equals to 1 by 2 and I am asking find principal solution of this equation. It means we have to find angle between 0 to 2 pi which will satisfy this. One is 30 degree, one is 150 degree. So theta is equals to 30 degree and 150 degree. Those will be principal solution. In principal solution, we cannot write angle more than 360 degrees. Simple, in one rotation you have to find. Because in one rotation, all angle will get covered. So no need to exceed further. General solution. General solution means, if I am writing here sine theta is equals to 1 by 2. So how many angle will satisfy this equation? We'll say how many angle will satisfy this equation? Infinite angle will satisfy this equation. In principal solution, only two angle will satisfy this. General means generally I am asking. ठीक है, बाल वाल कटवा लिए हैं? ठीक है, ठीक है ना? So we are asking generally which angle will satisfy. So any angle you can say, whatever angle will satisfy, you can say all type of angle. So here infinite angle will satisfy, but you cannot write all infinite angle, yes or no? Now the question is how will write? Okay na? So that you will study in next topic. Okay? And this is what we have to learn in this chapter. Here, once I taught you here, now this topic will never come. Because this is very easy. If I say tan theta is equals to 45, which will satisfy? Acha, this type of question I have given or not? Let me check whether you can solve this type of or not. First write this, then I will give you question based on this. Find principal solution. Find principal solution for one I will teach you for positive, one I will teach you for negative, one I will teach you for a square. That's all. Rest all you have to find. One what I will teach you here is sine theta is equals to this I will teach you. This means if positive is there, how you will find the angle between 0 to 360 degree. If negative sign is there, how you will find angle between 0 to 360 degree, 0 to 2 pi. And this both has degree 1, sine raised to 1, tan raised to 1. So for degree 1, two possibilities are there. Either they will give you positive value or they will give you negative value. Now the question is, if degree 1 is equals to positive value, how you will find the angle? And degree 1 is equals to negative value, how you will find the angle? Okay? They can give you anything. Now here, in all three, one thing is common, a square, a square, a square. And if it is a square, it cannot be negative. Yes, no? So here a square is present, it will be positive only. So here only one case will be there. Because of degree 1, positive and negative two cases coming. Here because of degree 2, only positive will come. So here only one case is present. So out of these three, I will teach you only one. Rest two you can do by yourself. Tell me which I will teach. D, E, F. Okay ना, it's very simple. देखो मैं कैसे कर रहा हूँ. How I am doing. First this sin theta is plus sign. So sin theta is positive where? First and second. So see, I will draw that x-axis, y-axis. This is our first quadrant. It means one angle I will get here, one angle I will get here. It means I have to find angle from this to Jayanti. I have to find angle from this to. I have to find angle from this to so that sine theta can become root 3 by 2. Okay? Root 3 by 2. No problem. Na? Chalo. Now, first of all, can you tell me the easiest angle which we know where sine theta is root 3 by 2? 60 degree. So, draw a line and write down 60 degree. Okay? Now, second angle will come here. Okay? Just take mirror image of that line this side. Mirror image. So, that line is making here 60 degree. If we take image, one line will come here and this will make 60 degree. And now, measure angle of this line with positive x-axis. So total is 180, this is 60, so this will be 120. So second angle is 120. One angle is, answer will be x theta is equals to 60 degree and 120 degree, that's all. Okay, but wait. So you understood this. So here what I am going to do, I am going to teach you for a square. And when I will teach you for a square, now you will learn positive also, you learn negative also. Both you can learn at same time. So let's take one question from a square, and that is cos a square theta is equals to 3 by 4. So if cos a square theta is equals to 3 by 4, what will be cos theta? Plus minus root 3 by 2. So cos theta value is positive and negative both. So can you tell me where is cos theta positive? First and fourth. Where is cos theta negative? Second and third. It means you will get angle in first quadrant also, second quadrant also, third quadrant also, fourth quadrant also. In all four quadrants, you will get one angle. In first quadrant, you will get for positive, second quadrant, you will get for negative, third quadrant, you will get for negative, fourth quadrant, you will get for positive. Now, how will find angle in all four quadrants? So, whatever procedure here I will tell you, same procedure will be applied for all. Okay? So, see, first. So, this is root 3 by 2. So, can you tell me cos theta is equals to plus root 3 by 2? Which will be the angle? First quadrant angle we know now. What will be that angle? Tell me. 30 degree. So, first quadrant angle we know. Now, we have to find angle in second quadrant. Now, the question is how we'll find angle in second quadrant. So, whenever you have to find angle in second quadrant, procedure will be same. Whatever value is there doesn't matter. You just saw 60 degree, what we did? Take image that side. Same thing we have to do. So this is line 30 degree. We'll take image of one more line and that line will become 30 degree. And after that, I will take this whole angle. What will be this angle? 180 minus 30, 150 degree. So here one angle cos theta is equals to, we are getting here theta. Now we are ready to write theta. Theta is equals to first 30 degree, second 150 degree. Third I am going to, in third quadrant how you will find? Every time first quadrant you have to find 100% between 0 to 90 degree, because we remember whether it is positive or negative, always find first quadrant. So see, this is 30 degree. You have to find angle in third quadrant. Now the question is how will find angle in third quadrant? So this line is there, and simply extend that line in third quadrant and find this whole angle. So tell me, this is 30 degree. This will be also 30 degree opposite angle, vertically opposite angle. And this is 180 degree. 30, 210 degree. So you got 210 degree. Okay. Next and last, how we'll find fourth quadrant? So simple, this line is there na first quadrant. Take image this side. So this will become 30-degree image. Now measure this angle. 360 minus 30. 330. Fourth angle is 330. Very simple. Okay? Okay now? So simple, how we'll find angle in second quadrant, or directly you can remember, acha sir, second quadrant pi minus theta. Third quadrant pi plus theta. Fourth quadrant 2 pi minus theta, that's all. You can go for angle also. Second quadrant, if you have, first find for positive. Suppose I am asking here tan theta is equals to minus 1 by root 3. Minus 1 by root 3 is there. Which quadrant? Tan? Second and fourth. Second and fourth. Always remember second and fourth. Now, remove minus. Tan theta is equals to 1 by root 3. What will be theta? Tell me. 30 degree. Tan 30, sin 30 by sin 31 by root 2. 30 degree. So what will be second quadrant angle? Pi minus 30. What is fourth quadrant angle? 2 pi minus 30. Then what is pi minus 30? 150 degree. What is 360 minus 30? 330 degree. So it's easy na? Asan na? We can go by this also. We can go by simple understanding also. So for the second quadrant angle, simply pi minus theta. Third quadrant angle, yes, pi plus theta. And fourth quadrant angle, 2 pi minus theta. That's all. Write it down. In 10 years, this formula means I was thinking from many years how to do that, how to do that. But during class, I cannot think. So this 12th class only I thought this. Acha, this way we can do. General solution. We are going to talk about general solution. Thank you, sir. Na? Yes, thank you, sir. General solution. Suppose I am asking sine theta is equals to sine alpha. Find theta. So here formula will be theta is equals to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n alpha. That is the general solution. It means this can generate all infinite angle. So suppose I am asking sine theta is equals to 1 by 2. So you know how to write principal solution for this. So first is sine theta positive, first quadrant and second quadrant. Sine theta is 1 by 2, first quadrant will be 30 degree away, pasa bhai idhar. Theta will be 30 degree. And in second quadrant that will be pi minus 30, 150 degree. Yes or no? 2 we got, 2 angle we got. But now the question is, sir, I want to find all infinite angle. So first of all, whenever you are getting sine theta is equals to 1 by 2 and you want to write general solution, first change it into this formula. Sine theta is equals to sine alpha. Alpha is angle which you know. So tell me 1 by 2. What is the angle for 1 by 2? Sine theta is equals to 1 by 2. 30 degrees. So second step you will write sine theta is equals to sine 30 degree. It means now alpha is 30, theta is theta which you have to find. Now you will write answer theta is equals to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n 30 degree. This is the general solution. And here you write what is n. N is integer. It can be both positive and negative. Okay. Okay. Now write it down. Suppose I am writing cos theta is equals to cos alpha. So here this is theta is equals to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Suppose I am writing tan theta is equals to tan alpha. So theta will be equals to n pi plus minus alpha. N pi minus will also go that side. N pi plus. Let me check this formula. Correct now? Only plus alpha, minus is not there. Now this is for degree 1. This is for degree 1. Sin theta is equals to sin alpha, tan theta is equals to tan alpha, cos theta is equals to cos alpha. Now the question is, if it is comes sin square theta is equals to sin square alpha, cos square theta is equals to cos square alpha, tan square theta is equals to tan square alpha. So all three formula is same, and that is the same this formula. Okay. So if I write sin square theta is equals to sin square alpha, cos square theta is equals to cos square alpha, tan square theta is equals to tan square alpha. Or for all this, formula with theta is equals to n pi plus minus alpha. Minus will be one extra from that. That's all. And these are the 5 formula of our chapter. Rest all whatever you will learn now, that will be technique of solving the questions. That's all. For solving any trigonometric equation, three understanding is required. 3 understanding is required. First is like, wait karo, देखो यहाँ पे what I want to say, then you will write. See, suppose if I write here sin square theta, so in this expression 3 things are there. In this whole expression 3 things are there. What are those 3 things? First is angle. Second is degree. Third is name. 3 things are there. Okay na? So we need to make sure that degree it can vary. Degree can vary. In one question, 1 degree is 2, other degree is 1. That we can, but name should be same. If name is different, we cannot solve the question. If angle is different, we cannot solve the question. So whenever we are solving any question, first try to make name same. Then try to make angle same. What will do for degree? If degree 2 and degree 1 is there, that will become simply quadratic. Take sin x t, that will become t square plus 2t minus 3 is equals to 0, like that it will form. Understood? Whenever we are working on solving trigonometric equation, first idea, check whether can we change their name or not. If we can change their name, change it. Okay. And then you check the angle, whether we can, if angle are different, then check whether we can change the angle or not. Degree last. Achha na? Now, do you remember in some formula, angle and name both are directly connected with each other. Both are directly connected with each other. Now you say, sir, how? Check this. Suppose I am saying solve this. Sin 2 theta is equals to tan theta. I'm asking you to solve that. No? So both sides, first you see the name. It's a sine is there, tan is there. It means either I will change name of sine to tan, or either I will change name of tan to sine. Name I have to make same first. Next, angle I have to make same. So here angle is 2 theta, here is theta. So we have to change angle also, we have to change name also. So here angle is 2 theta. What we want to change 2 theta into theta? It means I want to make our angle half. I want to make our angle half also, and I want to change the name of sine into tan also. Is there any formula of sine 2 theta where angle is getting half and name is getting changed into tan? 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. It means that formula will apply here. 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. So when I will apply here 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is equals to tan theta. Now first thing, name is same. All name is same now. All angles are different now. All angles are same also. Now we'll check the degree. What are the degree present in this expression? 2, 1, 1. It means this is going to be quadratic simple. Okay, now most of the people, what they do, they will cut tan theta and tan theta. Okay, we can do that. We can do. But when we are cutting some, what we have to find here, tell me? What we have to find here? Theta. Theta we have to find. Now, when we are cutting these two terms, theta is present in that or not? Present, na? Theta is not present, no problem. But we have to find theta. We are cutting two term both sides. So whatever term we are cutting both sides, in that term, theta is present. Now the question is, can we cut or not? You can cut. But when you are cutting, write down that cut part is equals to 0. And whatever answer you will get from here, that will also be the answer of that. Now you say, sir, how sir explain once, with some different example. See, suppose x square is equals to 2x. I am solving it with two idea. Suppose someone is saying, sir, x square minus 2x is equals to 0. You are taking 2x this side and you are. And now you will take x common. This will become x minus 2 is equals to 0. So here you will say x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 2. From here 0 and x 2 you will get from here. But if you will say, sir, x square is equals to 2x, I am cutting 1x. So directly you are getting here x is equals to 2 now. But here answer is 0 and 2 both. You can say in this, no step is wrong. Why no step is wrong? Because nothing you have done. Simply you have taken this side and you are solving. And that is allowed in mathematics. But what you did in this step, here you are cutting something both sides. So when you are cutting something both sides, then what are the things we need to remember while doing this work? So when you are cutting this both sides, so this x is getting vanished. And from this x we are getting root 0. That's why one root is less here. So when you are cutting this to both sides, so this tan theta will also give one root. So that's why I'm writing tan theta is equals to 0. Put tan theta 0 here. See, LHS, RHS will become same. 2 into 0. 1 plus 0 square. 1 plus 0 square. 1. 0 by 1. Tan theta is 0. 0 equals to 0, true or not? It means whatever answer this will generate, that will also be answer of that. And after cutting one more equation, you will get 2 upon 1 plus tan square theta is equals to 1. It means whatever answer you will get from here, that will also be the answer. Whatever answer you will get from that will also the answer. Okay, na? So here, now you can check here that if we do same step, we'll get here. We are cancelling x both sides. We write x is equals to 0. So what answer we got here for x? 0. So that is also answer of this. After cutting, what we are getting? X is equals to 2. That is also both answer. So tan theta is equals to 0. What will be theta? n pi plus 0 degree, because tan theta is equals to 0 means tan 0. You know, tan theta is equals to tan alpha. Theta will be n pi plus alpha. You see the formula. Okay. Next. Now we have to solve this. We have to find tan theta. Simply I will cross multiply. That will become 2 is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. 1 will go that side. 1 is equals to tan square theta. And you will get tan theta is equals to plus minus 1. So for plus 1, tan theta. Acha, no need to do that also. Can you tell me some other way? Can we write 1 tan 45, tan square 45 degree equals to tan square theta? Remember, tan square theta is equals to tan square alpha. What will you then set? N pi plus minus alpha. So what will get? Theta is equals to n pi plus minus 45 degrees. So this is one general solution for this equation, and this is one general solution for this equation. So answer will be, we'll write curly bracket. I will write n pi, comma, n pi plus minus 45 degree, and we write n belongs to integer. This will be the true answer for that. Write down. So this is the first question that we solve for sec square theta is equals to 5 plus tan square theta. Name were different. Names are different. Sec and tan. Angles are same. So name are different, angle are same. We can use trigonometric identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. To change the name by without changing the angle. So sec square theta, I will write 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta into 4, that will become this. Tan square theta will be 1 by 3. So here a square is there. So we can think this in a square. 1 by root 3 square. 1 by root 3 tan 30 square. Huh? I think you are sleeping. No, na? So you have this week mentoring class also, na? So mentors will be provided to you. 3 faculties. You will be divided into 3 groups. And they will guide you. It's not like if your mentor is Sasi sir or Sanjay sir, I cannot do anything. If mentor means simple, see, one faculty cannot talk with all 40 single. It will take 2 hour time. Only for talking and only for checking what you are doing at home. For that purpose only we are providing mentoring. Okay. So in one class, last period if mentoring class, it means I will be in one class, my child will be there, sir will be in another class, one will attend, student will go in some other class. They will check the copies, they will talk to you, whatever they want to discuss, they can discuss. Okay, na? So that is the part. Now second, next question. Tell me the next question. क्या है? Sin 2 theta is equals to sin theta, na? Angles are different or not? Angles are different. So we need to make our angles same or not? So tell me, 2 theta you will reduce to theta, or theta you will reduce to 2 theta? Higher will reduce to lower. Yes, na? So, wow, very good. Here one concept we are getting. If something is big, breaking it is very easy. But when something is in a small quantity, making it unite is very tough. So that's why we are breaking big into a smaller. So sine 2 theta. Acha, now tell me, when we are changing 2 theta into theta, there are two formula. One is in 2 sine theta cos theta, one is in tan. So which formula will you use? 2 sine theta cos theta will use or tan formula will use? 2 sine theta cos theta will use because her name is sine. We'll write here 2 sine theta cos theta is equals to sine theta. Now both sides sine theta will get cancelled. So when you'll cut sine theta, so this will also give one solution. Sine theta is equals to 0. Ananya. And 2 cos theta, when you'll cancel it will become 1. So what will be the second equation? 2 cos theta is equals to 1. It means cos theta is equals to 1 by 2. So here sine theta is equals to 0. So how if I'll solve here, what will get? Sine theta is equals to sine 0 and theta will be equals to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n into 0. 0 into anything will be 0. I will get n pi. Now cos theta is equals to 1 by 2, which will be 60 degree. Theta will be 2n pi plus minus 60 degrees. So here what will get? N pi comma 2n pi plus minus 60 degree. यही हो ना आप? मैं देख नहीं रहा कहीं, ये तो नहीं कि आप कहीं और हो. See, we got the answer. Who all are the three toppers? First six toppers of class? 1, 2. 2 this side, na? Here? 3, 4. That side 5. And one more? 6. So all 6 will be provided 2, 2, 2. 2 teacher, 2 student to me, 2 to physics sir, 2 to chemistry sir. Because there is toppers, all faculty want to do the mentoring. Vivek, 5th place na? To top 6 I am saying na, 1 to 6. Next question, tell me next question. Sin a square theta plus now tell me how we'll solve this question. Very good. अरे वाह, अरे सबने देख लिया का सोल्यूशन? First we have to change the name, yes or no? Then we'll think about angle. So for changing the name, sin square theta will go that side, or simply sin square theta you can write 1 minus cos square theta. Both you can write. So this sin square theta you will take that side. अब अपना पूरा चेहरा दिखाया है बच्चा. Cos square 3 theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta. And do you remember what was the answer for this? Cos square is equals to cos square. 3 theta is equals to n pi plus minus theta. But what we have to find? Theta. So take first plus sign. So this will become 3 theta is equals to n pi plus theta. This theta will come this side. 2 theta is equals to n pi. Theta is equals to n pi by 2. Now take minus sign. You will get 3 theta is equals to n pi minus theta. Minus theta will come this side. 4 theta is equals to n pi. Theta is equals to n pi by 4. This is the second answer. Now both answer will write n pi by 2 comma n pi by 4. N belongs to integer, and this is what theta is. So we are writing general solution for all these equations. Okay.